mind-blowing science secrets.
Red cabbage is called an
acid-base indicator.
This means it changes color depending on how acidic
or base a solution is.
Scientists like you use acid-base indicators to measure the degree of acidity and basicity of a solution. Now let's get started.
We do one step at a time, Olivia. Take a step at a time. You can do anything. Are you okay? You don't look okay. You look kind of shameful because it's definitely on tape. Step at a time, Olivia. Take a step at a time. You can do anything.
3/4 of water, warm water. 1 medium scoop of baking soda. Careful. Now let's put 2 small scoops of red cabbage. Don't forget to be careful. Ooh. It came purple.
Oh, it's blue.
Whoa! It was purple and then it turned out blue. Let's do 1 medium scoop of citric acid. Oh. Pinkish purple. Whoa, now everything out the way. It went from blue to purple. Is that cool? It looks pinkish purple though. This is so cool. Now let's pour in 3 medium scoops of crosslink. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. We're going to wait 1 to 2 hours. Shoot. Mommy.
Is it doing something? Is it getting smushy?
I feel it. I feel it. I really feel it. I feel it. I'm not able enough for these. There's a little bit more in here. There. Jello. This is cute playful.
Show him, Gabriel.
This is so cute. We made it with the crystals because they keep on falling.
Well, when you touch it, it looks a little bit liquidy, but when you do this, it feels solid.
If you just squish it, look, just a little bit, look what it becomes. Go back up.
It's like a solid and liquid at the same time.
Eat this.
Do not eat it because you're gonna get sick.
Because
it's just like Play-Doh.
Because
you do not eat acid.
But acid is in this place.
You can play with it, but not eat it.
Yes. But and they look like
Never eat
liquid. This is like every time you like fill it. It like
If you
it's like water. And
Yes,
every
but-
time you like
let's touch it. If it's
description blocks down below.
the mind-blowing kit, click the button and you see it in the Amazon kite. So take it step at a time. You can do anything that you wanna do. Bye, 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 bye,
Bye guys. I hope you make this colorful slime.